show, right? It's time to answer some of your foodie questions. Each caller is also going to have to decide what Jennifer, who's sat over there, will be eating at the end of the show. So first on the line,